Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a fairly straightforward problem. My wife has a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and whenever she exits the vehicle, the car will alarm, warning her that her keys are still in the vehicle. All the while she's holding her keys, or she knows that they are in her purse. So the first thing to check whenever that happens is that maybe there's not a good signal between the key fob and the vehicle. So I went about to try to solve this by changing out the battery on the key fob. At some point, the batteries have been changed in this key fob because they're not original. The key fob takes a CR 2025 battery, and the battery that I took out was a CR 2032. They're the same voltage and the same diameter, but the CR 2032 is a little bit thicker. So it may or may not work in the key fob. Clearly it has been working, but I decided to go back with the specified size of a CR 2025. This turned out to be a very straightforward battery replacement, and I was able to finish the job very quickly. I had to actually go to the store in town to buy the CR 2025 batteries, and once I did that, replacing the battery and snapping the fob back together were straightforward and simple. I went to the vehicle and verified that it would actually start and that there was signal between the fob and the receiver on the vehicle. Everything worked fine. The vehicle started, and then when I shut the vehicle off and exited the Pathfinder, the alarm did not sound, warning me that the keys were still inside the vehicle. So mission success. We solved the problem. There was a weak signal between the key fob and the receiver on the vehicle. So a very straightforward fix. If I had this problem with a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, this would be the first thing I would check. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and useful information, and I'll see you next time.